Sports fans may not have to go to Las Vegas to place a bet on their favorite team.
The U.S. Supreme Court ruled on Monday that individual states should be allowed to sponsor sports gambling, striking down a decades-old ban. Mary McGuire joins us now live from U.S. Bank Stadium in Minneapolis with more on what this means for Minnesotans.
Hey, good morning to you, Allie. This ruling by the Supreme Court does not mean that sports betting automatically became legal overnight here in Minnesota. Each individual state still needs to pass its own set of regulations. It does open the door, though, for legal sports betting on big games like the NCAA Final Four, which will be played here at U.S. Bank Stadium in Minneapolis next year. Now, following this Supreme Court ruling, Minnesota could come out on top when it comes to revenue. A gaming research fund released a study in 2017 showing that our state could make $128 million off of sports betting every year in casinos alone. That number more than doubles if people can place those bets online. Over at Running Aces Casino and Racetrack in Columbus, people can already bet on games like blackjack, poker, or horse races, but the appetite for sports betting is huge.
The atmosphere and the vibe here is positive. Everybody's excited for it. And like I said, to be able to offer another form of entertainment to our guests is huge for us in the state.
No, not everyone is excited about what lies ahead. The Minnesota Indian Gaming Association issued a statement following the ruling, which reads in part that they have long opposed the expansion of gambling in Minnesota and that they will study the potential impact of the ruling. Now, I have been known to play a little bit of fantasy football, so I'm a member of DraftKings, and yesterday after this ruling, I got an email from the online gaming site. In it, they said that they are excited about this ruling from the Supreme Court. They also urged its users to contact their own legislators in their own individual states to express their support for this, because until those states make those decisions, there's nothing really that site can do, Allie.
And Mary, there was less than a week to go in the legislative session. How likely is it that lawmakers will be able to pass something on sports betting before the deadline?
Well, if I was a betting woman, I would bet against that happening. Of course, there is less than a week left, and they still have a lot on their plate left to do in those 6 days. Governor Mark Dayton, he has not issued an official opinion on his thoughts on this, but yesterday at a news conference, he did say that he thinks that Minnesota should get some cut of the revenue that's happening from this illegal sports betting. So if it's legal here in Minnesota, he wants a part of it.
All right, Mary, thank you.
Lawmakers